Mink Penyakemba channel no eko mwene saniko yani a bit controversial. She no koni a country who no can join no shishin. Afifen afie keje May 9th ke agbe June 9th. A ban your noise making ke drumming. Eja ke wo ya yi homo dan wo ba yi homo wo aduoma. E wo esani wo fio noise. Neke kusu ne eyeje Dani Kwame Kumapu Wugana ke machine. Eyeje Dani afọ ofen. She me ko efe de wa ke afifen afie abani game wo look bad. Tomononi wo fio no ko ton won jawon alo no ko. Sunday na ni bahone somo ku ake Pentecost somo. Nyele ake adum esa na fio noise. Nyete nye use microphone nye traban ke ni bi ni ke ibale na kan aye task force come na me around ni police nya me se. Ameba ni ababa season nye ni bi ke adum eta aba release hanye. She obviously sanya pay penalty kwa alonoko. Video na mi amen je ke ni bi basa come na ehia. Bole kuma video ni ma back. Yoka bodento kwe lana mefio nesa oba moko shikpono ake na law ni obie ye no keke onyo yi no ni da na ehwe efetumo somo bie ni fio ni na ni efio no kuku je ake miwe against somo bi alo aka janu alo noko no law ni yo je ka aka janu mo e ka aka feel noise e wo onye ni o janu mo ni nyani ye yo tun mi enye pe nye bo sani etui just for 1 month nye ye ni no ni do mi cry je ake ke wo temoko ma no okola ake ama yusu Ashanti region ke for example ke otun fo ke akagbele store agbele ni emamigbo one day it can for shake akagbele store like a law I implement law not within a week but like short period no I implement law mo fia mo ye no na mo jibo no ba agbele store aye no shin na no ke onye me ku me ba fita wo he ye bie amesmoni ameyo law no ni law na hu every year eye jeme jake nyele law na mi no amefio na kai Ghana Traditional Council issue statement ake Nmaa Dumo ameyana chief imam ayana sofwe ke ni bi fe ni taki neke for here a popularize ni ne aha mo fa mo fe awe ni I think hia pa ka ba fe ni bi na fe jake wo kusun ni sani ole mano kusun mano loss ke ni bi dani oba AMA issue statement AMA government body no ni ka fe a bust your mind kraji osobo bi na ni bepia o ka be na asane ameye somo tumi ni amen preachy ka congregation na ake ayenyumo loss no shiboni onkemoko ake ayenyumo loss no common law ni your man na ake foshin bonyo ye no shibo pa onkemoko ake ayenyumo law no mi no aba bobotue ni ko te bible mi enyumo no ke I respect manche. Come on, manche je president in a vote to a hand manche. Ayata shini a war ballot paper na selector dani moko ba yo manche. No, nyumoni wo manche, wo ka wo manche ko ni ma ya no. Sani obule. Even crapo ke otemi ozugwa no kwe law ne ke law ne. If like a law pakpako ni wa. E sana feel 1 month people. E shami kometo kwe. Eja ke nyameni yo manse. Ni yo ablochi ke ni biye. The loss of noise making your job. Nyano ka on fait party pono ke disturb moku. Aba che police ya bo bia no. Bia ne that noise, come on, influence a BNN no, moko spinning machine. Come on, banya fe noise come on, oyi to fe ngbabu. Video no tu mon tu. Inyama tu until back by noise fe mo, ne pa noise fe mo, ina me fe. Moko ke hon fried rice, moko ke hon pen drive can it be. Noise making everywhere. O law na no ji law ko ni. Makola ke law pakpa wa one of the laws ni here he wale ni a benefit or a ni improvements back by my life me because noise making sometimes distracting too much. Okay, be away from that show ko okay FM actually the best entertainment show. Halifax ni host yo ni this same issue ni me we a tweet na ka topic so kwesafo e panel no kum chat e panel no ke Counsellor Lutterodt. Biake me no every year this same thing and it repeat why e no shishi. Mo fe mo to ejomo. Counsellor Lutterodt kum chat to ejomo ni well is mama ya into that but Counsellor Lutterodt no jim focus. No koni ejue kechon the whole thing ni sanakarele. I think a opinion is she in Kelefe Jomo Kume like I disagree. The
problem at the Ghana Traditional Council, me believe so. I want to say, tie, you want create a baby a yebu. You see, adumo chokondo no kefo chonija. I won't explain. Adumo chokondo no kefo chonija. Mini wo watashi wo mekashi be na aduma. Dani wo bra madumo ni femo hi wo chon meni bakuma wo.
Omale. Nakum Jaja. Omale. But what do you think about this? Omale. Yeah.
Because say it ho na afibia wo ba lagben. Ye be ye tradition. Na the misunderstanding beba. Na AMA our medium of communicating. Not information service department. Our medium of explaining things to us. Now you are visitors among us. Now dumo chokondo no ke fochoni ja. Mini wo chokondo wo dumo no ni wo ke kocho me no ni he wo. Ne sani mo fia mo ayi me keni ne no. Yesterday it was an eyesore. It was a nasty scene on social media. That Pentecost Church, sorry, I'm a bewura for fire instruments. That's a nuisance. It doesn't make sense. But be a do sesiano. That's it doesn't help. Religious tolerance no way more. But obi wa me make say onti asie de ye no. Then ya ye nchirichiri mu aye de tukwan mu. Because obi ti asie on from and Obia here asie
so many years no.
What I say? The fact that Obia trans 50 years no. Halifax, many quick and fat tomorrow. You were amber crossing. You the traffic light. You can say traffic light for front. If you want to cross within the amber, your pedestrian crossing traffic light. I'll bet my pressing. Then what do who say light in time ben so your waiting period is 30 seconds. Yeah, me also now my signal to wait me boy. Yeah, the boy baby Obia education. I don't know they didn't say. So me believe said the first thing that will help the Ghana Traditional Council is not yet train ama emirina so ama ya declare, but say let education go so that baby ayebedu obi abeti ase this is our festival and we have the understanding for it and no be solve one of the problem. Number 2, enforcers of the law. Minyanka wahu Halifax. 4 weeks to the thing. Ghana Traditional Council about the community no. Waba alajo community. As spread the announcers across each of the places. As seeking permission of the men of God to explain to the people what it means. Say obeying now worship right so. But eyini ye. Yesre mu nyina se momboa ye ne mo mpaye. Momfa mo mpaye entaye chi. Na ade ye nye enkodwojo. When he went in the embo way, when he went in the enye way, obiati asia will have a smooth flow of this particular section. Because section when a here interaction, a here fight. This time traditionally a here blood spilling. uko kind history now. Some say muja feel good this time. So there shouldn't be any form of coercion. And then neighbor. So Mimi Gidi say Alifas, our problem is that we have not taken the trouble to explain the thing to the people to understand. Yeah. This is not also to say it is giving justification for churches to violate what has been stated.
Okay, according to Counsellor Lutterodt, Sani are informed of fiamo, I around ni a communicate. Ke okele fio jomo. Hanimale your comment section no hamale no ni okele fio jomo. Ko okele fio jomo we. Hamale comment section ni o hamale no ni okele fio jomo. Shimini tabiele, I think I disagree with him. Ke ofagbe otemoko mano. What use ablochi, for example, America, UK, Italy, like all these countries. Ke oshejen. Ahabo book ake kanimo book she was lost your me fan allo ko yeshia atwabo na habo special information about country allo inu ishi ko shejen sani bono tawo lost ni your gen only lost ni your mo pe ba ke sani bo le. Ignorant of the law is no excuse. Okay, obawo mano sani oye wo law say no. Come on, nibi kuma ye wonya wo chefon yi. Nye ha wole ake kusu na ye je Danny Afo o greatest grandfather. Wonye ha ni wo fen wo wani wo yi no. Ke oba wo ma no o fine na wo kusu wo ke shebe ne afi noise. Je no 1 month pe. Ni na no sisi. Okay, inka ba wa bie. Obanyo tojomo your comment section e boni really ke oye solution ko allo we ni kokko wan approach ni bi na ni issues na ba pa ni every year wo na issues na ba we mi ni ye fi obegbe ko men je ke ni bi na sa hia ke ni bi. Yeah, my boy. Subscribe mo to channel na share mo video ni wonye mega mefe amena na mekwe. Nkenya ba pe ko peace out.